The All Progressive Congress is apparently in panic following the revelation that Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State and the Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 presidential election, has donated over 650 million naira to charitable causes, especially educational institutions in Nigeria, between January and August this year. This information has rattled the All Progressive Congress. Instead of commending Peter Obi for being able to use his personal resources to better the condition of Nigerians who the federal government of Nigeria have failed to take care of, the APC are unsettled. APC leadership is unsettled about this development. And to show you that they are not happy about it, they claim that this donation is political. Now, Peter Obi himself, in his verified Twitter handle, made it clear that these donations were part of his support for human capital development and humanitarian causes. Okay, it is because he is somebody that felt that the solution to Nigerian problem is in development of our human capital. That if we can develop our human capital, if we can lift more people out of poverty, the problems we are having of insecurity and social dislocation will be easy to solve. That's basically what is motivating him to contribute to the upliftment of the ordinary man. However, this donation, according to Peter Obi's X handle, these donations cut across 11 states that have benefited from this 650 million between January and this August. The donations cut across Anambra, Ebonyi, Cross River, Enugu, Kaduna, Edo, Borno, Abuja, Abia, Plateau, and Imo states. Now, these donations ordinarily, in a sense society, Peter Obi deserves his flowers by the government of the day, whether Peter Obi is in the opposition or not. But that is not what the APC government is known for. They are not known for the truth. They are not known for giving due to who honor is due. Instead, they like celebrating those who ought not to be celebrated, rewarding those who ought not to be rewarded. So it's understandable that they are not happy, and one of their leaders, who is the National Vice Chairman, Southeast of the All Progressive Congress, his name is Ijoma Aro Diobo. He described Peter Obi's donations as politically desperate. He said that Peter Obi is politically desperate. He said Peter Obi is making these donations to regain relevance ahead of the 2027 polls. He said to regain relevance. Has Peter Obi ever lost his relevance before? Peter Obi has never lost his relevance. So the point that he has lost, he is doing this to regain relevance, is an insult on those who have received those aids. The universities, like Calabar students whose future is in jeopardy because of no fault of theirs, but the fault of the federal government of Nigeria that failed to equip their university to be able to carry out its educational function. You know that Peter Obi donated 20 million naira to the University of Calabar students of dentistry. 300 students of dentistry at the University of Calabar, their future are in jeopardy because the Nigerian Medical and Dental Council Board, or the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria, has allocated only 10 slots out of 300 students due to lack of equipment by the University of Calabar. University of Calabar is a federal government-owned institution. At a time when the world is lacking medical doctors and medical trained officials, in Nigeria, what we're having is a situation where there is a lack of equipment to be able to train medical doctors, this time dentists. Peter Obi donated 20 million to equip that university. So to say that he does that for politics is an insult on these 300 students of University of Calabar, whose future is in jeopardy because the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu that's supposed to provide equipment for University of Calabar dentistry faculty failed to do so. Are we talking about the schools of nursing around the country and his humanitarian contributions to the internally displaced person? So all these things are indication of a leader that cares. And I like the way Satanko has also responded to the APC, telling them that what Peter Obi is doing is not motivated by politics. That had been his nature. His history showed that he has always cared for the poor and the needy. And the records are there. Up to the time when he was governor, when he had to take aids to Haiti in the Caribbean that suffered earthquake. He had been somebody who cares for the needy. And he comes from a family that believe in service because of God. In his family, the family of the Obis, he has brothers who are Catholic priests, who are Catholic nuns. If your family is not a giving family, you are not going to donate your own children to serve God in the Catholic Church as a priest. You know what it means to be a priest in the Catholic Church is not like to be a pastor in a Pentecostal church. It means a huge sacrifice. If you're a parent, you donate your child, you allow your child to be a priest. It means you have forgone to have grandchildren. That is a sacrifice. If you are a parent, you allow your daughter to be a sister in the Catholic Church. You have forgone to be a grandfather. Because that is the way, that is the sacrifice the Obi's family have been making to mankind. So Obi comes from a family of sacrifice, a family of giving and giving. They have given their children to God, and now they have given even Obi himself to serve. The onus is on Nigerians to decide whether he is the man that should serve them. But I will advise Nigerians that there is no better person to serve this country at this time that we are looking for sacrificial leaders, and not leaders that will come to loot the resources of Nigeria and get richer for themselves and their families. If you did want a leader that is empathetic to the suffering of the Nigerian people, that knows the needs of the Nigerian people. Don't look further than Peter Obi. He has donated over 650 million naira in less than a year from his personal pocket. He deserves commendation and not condemnation from the APC government that has failed to fund these schools and these hospitals and these nursing schools that Peter Obi has given his widow's mite. I don't know what you think about the APC accusing Peter Obi of political desperation through his donation of 650 million naira between January and August 2025. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.